Stop laying placeholder roads. The Road Essentials pack for Unreal Engine makes highways and rural routes feel real fast. Modular, spline-ready segments flow across any terrain, so your level takes shape in minutes. Fine-tune everything with simple controls. Lane markings, materials, surface wear, dirt, cracks, even puddles. From fresh asphalt to well-traveled tarmac. Build beyond the surface with road, highway, and pedestrian bridges, plus the details that sell the scene. Guardrails, signs, billboards, lanterns, curbs, pylons, aero boards, and asphalt patches. It's open world ready and performance minded. Ideal for games, cinematics, simulation, and AV environments. Work seamlessly with the landscape spline tool and your blueprints, and you can swap in your own materials anytime. Smart road markings come included with patterns for many regions, so matching your locale is effortless. Backed by ongoing updates and an active Discord, you're never building alone. Build better roads, faster. Start creating with Road Essentials today.